Hello everyone, my name is Abby Chopolis, and today we're going to be talking about space zones and what exactly space zones are. There are four types of space zones, and so we're going to break it down. The first type is the private or intimate type. This is typically experienced with a loved one and pets, and you are no more than 18 inches apart, so you're okay with being affectionate and touching and basically like being on top of each other. The second type of zone is personal or casual, and this is with interactions with people that you are familiar with and that you know. The farthest you can be apart is 4 feet apart. So if you are talking to a friend or a professor, this would be a personal or casual communication. The next type is conversational or social, and this is the maximum distance you can be where others will not overhear your conversation. And this is where you can be up to 7 feet apart. So maybe there's other people in the room you aren't familiar with, and you're trying to have a conversation with somebody you are familiar with. This is where conversational and social space zones will come into play. The fourth space zone is a public space zone, which is where everyone can hear you. You're typically 7 feet to as far as 25 feet apart. If you're past 25 feet and you're the one speaking, you might need some kind of source, whether it's a megaphone or a microphone, to help you project. So this is typically large crowds, concerts, protests, anything to that nature. When it comes to space zones, there are four types of factors that help differentiate the space zones. And the first one is status, which is age and sex. So men have higher status than women, and the older you are, you have a higher status. Culture, we have two types of culture. We have contact and non-contact. Non-contact is where you are more comfortable greeting with just a wave and a hello, so typical Americans. And contact is where you might greet with a hug or a kiss on the cheek like Italians and French people. Relationship is the closer you are to the person with your relationship, the closer you're going to stand with them. And then physical appearance is how you appear yourself. So people with similar clothing, tattoos, hairstyles, makeup, anything like that, you're going to draw towards each other.